Well, Jeffrey, Carol, Arizona Collectibles thanks you for bringing in this artwork to us today. In fact, as the appraiser, I'm going to ask you what you know about this artist, because I know you know a lot more than I do.
Well, this is the work done by Johannes Eiten. He was an impressionist painter as well as a theorist and a teacher, actually probably better known for his teaching. He was born in 1888 and died in 1967. He taught in Vienna, the Netherlands, and Berlin. And his later years he spent in Zurich, Switzerland. And he's known for teaching how to put color together for painters, photographers, and textile developers. And actually, one of his things that he left was how to put color together on a seasonal basis, and the cosmetics industry took off from his teachings.
Oh, what a remarkable contribution he made to a lot of different fields beyond art, it sounds like. So I get to ask you, is this representative of what you paid for
yes,
this work
actually,
of art?
Carol showed it to me over the internet, and then when we got it home, we found it was done by Joseph Eiten and Johannes Eiten, but we have never found anything exactly like this, and so we have no idea what it's worth.
Well, you're both here today because we are going to use this work of art as a teaching example. This, in fact, is a photographic offset lithograph, which is art speak for a reproduction.
We were hoping it would be real.
Yeah, I would have loved to have made your day that way, but instead I can help you and other people to understand how to tell the difference.
Okay.
And should someone have magnification, and presumably at least 10 power is extremely helpful, there are a series of pixels that appear when you are able to view the artwork under magnification. This screen of dots here is the reason for the pixeling. In other words, a painting is typically photographed, and then in addition to the colors that appear in the photograph, the screen is introduced prior to printing. And these tiny, tiny dots, that's what you're seeing. It may be hard to see on television for people, but these tiny, tiny dots render a series of little pixels that are almost mechanical in appearance. So that is your clue that what you're viewing is not a painting.
Boy, I never saw those.
Well, it's not something that most people have handy, but once you are exposed to what to look for, then you just are careful to keep a magnifier in your pocket and you will not be disappointed. So the bottom line is what you paid for this work of art is slightly less than what its value is, simply because a reproduction of this sort in good condition, which is what this is, you're looking at roughly $20 plus the frame, but of course we both know, all three of us know, you have to replace the glass at some point. And I'm so glad you brought it to Arizona Collectibles. I'm sorry I didn't make your day value-wise, but truly it represents a good learning opportunity for all of us. Everyone should become familiar with this so that they are not inclined to have expectations that might not be happily met.
Well, thank you. Darn it, we thought it was real, but I'm glad you told us, because now we know what to look for in the future. That's great.
Terrific. Thank you so much.